Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate y'all tuning in. We made it through the snowstorm at 21. It was a mess. It was really bad. So that's why I was a little bit short in getting these videos out and making progress on the bike. But we have some progress. So let's take a look at what we have. We have the seat pan in. Still has to be covered and everything. We have electrics done. Got the battery in, got all the electrics run, all of the stator, got the coil in, and the flasher relay. The bucket with all of its mess of wires in it, connecting everything. That'll be buttoned up. We also have our handlebars in finally, yay, with the modified ASV that has the brake caliper or the brake light put into it. So that's awesome. I'm very happy about that. And then over on the right side, got all the wiring there. Pretty tidy. And we'll tighten everything up and get it all up and out of the way. So it's been a fun thing, but make sure you stay around to the very end. I got a little surprise, so stay tuned. Here we go. Alright, so we have roughly fitted the wiring harness over here. Run it down the backbone, and we'll tie this in with some tie zips that are reusable. Get it all put in place. Get this together and get our grounds in, and then we'll try and see if we have some sparks somewhere. So get this buttoned up and try for some spark. Alright, so we've got our coil hooked up, got our battery installed back here. Got a highly charged lithium ion little anti-grav battery. This is kind of messy right now until I get everything hooked up. Got all the connectors done. Got our ground in nice and tight. These are the little zip ties, reusable zip ties I'm using. Just keep everything nice and tidy. And let's see if we got any spark. I'm gonna have to raise you up. Hold on. Alright, let's hope it's good. Let's see. Ignition's on. Alright, here we go. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me turn out the light. Alright, let's see if we can see it. Nice little spark right there. Beautiful blue one. Alright. Well, I'm just so happy I got to see that again. Let's see that beautiful blue spark. Let's see if I can get you in there real tight. Let's try it with the lights off again. Make sure I got you here. Oh yeah, beautiful. So one of the little dress-up things I did while we were in the Snowmageddon of 2021 is I went there and outfitted my toolkit and put a bunch of sockets in there, some wrenches and spark plug wrench, all the things necessary for roadside repairs. So okay, so now let's put on the handlebars. These are just temporary. See, I've got the modified ASV. I put in a trigger for the brake, and I got all the wiring, all the harnesses ready. Everything's mounted up kind of where it needs to go. So let's pop it on here, and we'll route some wires down here and get everything set up. So let's get around there. You go back. Sorry, right there. You go right in there. These. Yeah. Just place it there. You can see them. You can get a bit. Get in there. I'll line it up. Ooh, put it down there. See it. Here's out. All the other wires and such now we fed into there. So we can see them working. There, right. Almost in there. I'm gonna take off. There you go. I think this is it though. There we go. Nice and tidy. Like this. This is the power. Put it right there. Probably turn that down. One more thing I have to open this. This goes to my harness. So this will have to come up into this guy. There we go. Feed it over here. I'll just connect it all over here. And power. And pigtails and all the rest. What do you think about it? Boy. Wow. There we go. Just a little bit of tenderness. Now, we can use these one at a time. Oh, I'm starting to hit them away. Let's put a little rough you guys. Okay. We're going to do this a little bit off. Okay. These two main things get in there. So we're back just a little bit. So let's do the launchers. There we go. Nice, there's plenty of room here. One more. There we go. Breakers. Then we're going to have a whole build back on there. Someone just going to get that's everything again. That one little axle. No, everything else is going to be over everything. So let's try and erase all those launchers and such. Yeah, oh, do more again. That's what. Right. I'm just going to pull it so that out. There we go. So, I believe. Click. Click. There's a click. 2 clicks. And that was not a click. That was my shoe. Hi, babe. Oh, somebody's going to say hi. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Go. Okay. So, we got sweetie. Looks like we got a big mess of gaggle of stuff in here. But look, hey, there's a 2, there's a 2. That probably goes together. There's our 6. That's a 3. Hey, there's a 3. And then the rest of these just get all the other connections. Yikers, a lot of stuff. And this goes to the light. Okay, so got everything hooked up. Got the light, got the tail light here, got everything I believe hooked up, with the exception of the horn. The horn just still has one connector's off. So let's see if we have any lights. I think this is running lights. Woo! Holy moly! Yeah, that's a bright rascal right there, and that's the running light. There's the high beam. Okay, there's the high beam, low beam, blinkers. And they're opposite just because this is the opposite and that turns around. And let's see if we can get brake lights here. This would be a brake if I was braking. Boop, 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 boop. So it looks like we've got the wiring done. Wiring is correct. Yay! So let's keep on working. Here. Nice new pan my buddy made for me. Very close to the original dimensions. A little higher in the back. I'll have the foam shaved down so it doesn't come up so much. I've already gone in there and drilled. This is the hole that's necessary for the oiler, and then I put on my one of the pieces. I had this piece was broken off, and this little rascal is like $50. It's just exceedingly crazy price. So I used the original and I glued it in place with some high epoxy and put it on, and it's good to go. One thing I do need to do is look. Got a bunch of these drainage holes, well, not there, but here. All these little drainage holes that I need to go in there and pop into this one as well. Just so that if the foam gets really, really wet, it can actually dry out. So I'm going to pop those in and bring them back when we're done. And we'll clean those up with a Dremel tool. And there we have it on the bike, just loosely placed. Good fit. And looks like everything's in place. Can't stand it anymore. I've got to hear it fire. I've done the electrics, done everything I can think. I want to hear it talk. So the mnemonic is safe. Spark, air, fuel, energy. This is your energy. I got fuel over there, I got spark, and I got air going through the airbox. So got my fire extinguisher back here just in case things go awry, and we're going to do what was called a musty test fire. coined after the illustrious Musty One, also known as Darren, on YouTube. If you're not watching his stuff, you should definitely watch his stuff. I'll put a link down in the description. He is just amazing with the stuff he does. And so I've coined this a musty fire. So we're going to do a musty test fire. Drip a little gas down the hole. Take off the plug. Yeah, this is the first time I've done this, so you're seeing it live. So, and we've got our shop dog. She's ready to take care of everything if it goes crazy. So let's start out. I'm going to move you down just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Yes! Oh, okay. Yeah, we're excited, Bella. We gotta do it again. We gotta do it again. Sorry. The strap is holding, but it's just heavy. All right. Stop. Already out of fuel, but hot diggity, she works. All right, we got a runner. All right, we've got a runner.